You only have 5 days left in order to take advantage of this very, very important upgrade on GoMining. Over the last couple of days, there have been some major changes when it comes to GoMining. And in today's video, I will go over some of those changes and how you can benefit the most. A lot of these changes can make a big difference how much Bitcoin you end up mining on the platform. Now we are inside of my account, and let me show you one of the first changes that you will notice. We have to go inside of our wallet in order to see these changes. Once we are inside the wallet, you will see that we have two additional ways to deposit into your GoMining account. One of them being USDT, the other one being USDC. Now you'll be able to transfer your stablecoins into your account, and you'll be able to transfer them out as well. Unlike before where the address used to change constantly, now you will get one main address that you can deposit or withdraw from whenever you want. And best of all, you'll be able to use both of these stable coins for instant upgrades on your miners. No more waiting, literally press a button and the upgrade takes effect. One other benefit is you'll be able to convert your stable coins instantly into GoMining tokens. So if you want to lock up some tokens to get more voting rights, if you want to keep them in your account to get an even bigger discount, if you want to provide liquidity, now you'll be able to by simply converting your stable coins into the GoMining token. One other thing, you'll be able to top off your miners with stable coins as well. Now when we go back to our dashboard, so for example, if you want to upgrade your miner, simply press upgrade, press next, select crypto, and then when you scroll down, you will see the two new additions, USDT and USDC, and both of them have instant upgrade capability, which is pretty good in my opinion. That is what I've been using to upgrade most of my miners, is the GoMining token, simply because it is instant. You get that power right away. So when it comes to USDT, you'll be able to send TRC20 tokens, BEP20 tokens, and ERC20 tokens. When it comes to USDC, you'll be able to send BEP20 tokens and ERC20 as well. Now let's talk about the big news, and you only have 5 days to take advantage of this benefit, and I highly recommend you do it as soon as possible. So the big news is regarding efficiency. GoMining is saying goodbye to power upgrades for miners above 20 efficiency. This is very, very big news. So as you can see in my dashboard, I have multiple miners, and this one right here has an efficiency of 27.94. So when I press upgrade, it does not allow me to upgrade the power on this miner anymore, simply because it is not very efficient. The only thing that I can upgrade is the efficiency itself. You have to get the efficiency below 20 in order to continue to upgrade these miners. So if you have only one miner and the efficiency is like 29, 27, 35, whatever, in order for you to continue to be able to upgrade that miner, you need to lower the efficiency below 20. So if you only have one miner and the efficiency is more than 20, then I highly recommend you upgrade the efficiency in the next 5 days. You have until July 25th, and I'm about to share a promo code that will be only valid for the next 5 days, and it will give you 10% off of your efficiency upgrade. And I'm about to upgrade my miner using that exact same code, so I can show you exactly how it's done. So for example, let's take a look at this miner. It already has 20 efficiency, but if your miner has 21, 25, 30, it is the same exact process. Simply press upgrade. Once you press upgrade, we are going to press efficiency, and then right here we are going to press customize the upgrade. If you want to do this one right here for $9.99, that is perfectly fine as long as it is below that threshold. We are going to press customize the upgrade, and we will drag it all the way down to 15 efficiency. That is literally the best efficiency that you can get on the GoMining platform. By raising the efficiency to 15, we are going to earn an extra 4 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. This is money that will not be going to fees. All right, and as you can see, the annual ROI is 38.59%, and the total cost is 37.97. So we are going to press next, and this will give us an option on how to pay for this upgrade. We are going to press crypto, we are going to scroll down, and we are going to use GoMining tokens. And as you can see right here, it will cost us 81.31 GoMining tokens. In my account, I only have 82.89. So I will be left with one GoMining token, and I wouldn't have enough GoMining tokens left in order to cover the expenses of all my other miners. So we are going to enter in the promo code. As you can see right here, you got to enter in EE20WTH, all capital letters. And now, as you can see, it was 81.31 GoMining tokens. When we apply the code, it brings it down to 73.81 tokens, and it increases the ROI to 42.88%. So definitely take advantage of this promo code. It will be only valid until July 25th. So you only have 5 days left in order to take advantage of this code. So I highly recommend it. And now we're simply going to press pay. We are going to confirm. And within a couple of seconds, the efficiency of this miner has already gone down to 15, which is pretty good. And we have 9.71 GoMining tokens left. As you can see right now, our total efficiency on our account is 21.87. I will be upgrading the other miners' efficiency as well over the next couple of days, so I can take advantage of that 10% discount. The more efficient your miners are, the more Bitcoin you're going to make, simply because the more efficient they are, the more money they will save you on fees. If you have a miner, for example, like this one, the fees are very high compared to a miner that has 15 efficiency. In my opinion, having a miner that has 15 efficiency is the best way to go if you plan on mining Bitcoin for many years. Upgrading your efficiency might be expensive in the short term, but in the long term, it will definitely pay off. So if you want to give GoMining a try and you want to start making passive income in Bitcoin, I have a link for them in the description box below. In my opinion, GoMining is an amazing platform and a great way to earn some passive income and stack up on some Bitcoin. That is all I have for this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your game plan? Will you upgrade the power on miners that have 15 efficiency, or will you try to upgrade the efficiency on miners that already have a ton of terahashes like this one right here? Let me know your strategy. Let me know what you plan on doing. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.